Now that Jimmy had dropped off my AP2 at my place, I had him pick up my AP1 to take it over to the body shop. My granddad accidentally threw away my only key, so Jimmy had to disconnect the steering rack to get it onto his trailer. It started raining like crazy, so we waited until the next day to attempt the delivery.
Alright, I'm going to roll you forward just a little bit.
Cool.
I think I got to turn it more.
We'll give it a few inches.
Go ahead and pull the e-brake back over.
Cool. I wanted to die there for a second, but it works. It runs.
The other side is no damage. I can see the same.
So everything looks okay except for that one piece, yeah?
Yeah. But the color panel you buy, the big part,
Yeah.
the big thing, that one we can fix it, and then we can put a new piece.
That trunk is rough. I haven't been
That,
under
that
here.
one is rusty because maybe you leave the water and
In the back, yeah, it's possible.
yeah, and the ocean water with salt. Yeah.
It's
Or you
possible.
put a song, you know.
I'm not sweating like that, man. No.
Or maybe you can drop a beer.
So where's
It may have been some beer. I don't know, actually. Yeah.
But
so the damage is mostly
the welding.
Oh, they welded this catalytic converter on.
Yep.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I have one. It is a lot bigger at home. Wow. So that's just some AutoZone or something part?
Maybe
That's it,
universal.
Wow. So today's the day, guys. I finally got the key programmed, new subframe and everything else on. Bodywork isn't done yet, but I have the low mileage injectors, and we just now took the clip off, the fuel return pinch off of that line. We took that off. So I'm going to start it for the first time with the OEM catalytic converter instead of that generic one, and everything else should be ready to go. The alignment was just done. Just got a quote for the bodywork. I think I might get a new bumper because it's pretty scratched on the bottom, as you saw in the other videos, but man, supposedly this should be it. Let's see how it goes. Let the fuel pump prime a couple times just in case. Oh my God. Went right to idle. No misfire. Dipped a little bit there. I let it warm up before I took the clip off so I could roll it out here, but let's see how it does. I'll do the windows up for the sound. All right, here we go. No bogging down. A little bit of that click in the diff. Maybe it's the propeller shaft, but we'll find out. Doesn't really choke. Muy bien, amigo. Es funciona aquí.
Oh, grabar.
Video, sí.
Video.
Thank you, buddy. See you soon. It's a buddy of mine. He offered to detail my BMW if I help make a YouTube channel. Really nice guy. I'll put a link to his shop in the description, his Facebook and everything. Windows back up. Everything sounds okay. Smooth acceleration. Shift was nice. Gotta bleed the clutch a little bit, but oh my God, it's working. Let's see. I'll wait for it to get to the VTEC, but the alignment, they did the steering wheel. I think it's one tooth off the wheel, but that's very easily fixed. And because it was sitting in the humidity, the leather got a little bit messed up, but let's see. Oh man. Oh man. Leaning my head down a little bit so I don't get any wind noise on the GoPro. But it's holding second just fine. Really eager to rev too. I put some ethanol-free gas. I bought some VP Racing just so I had it with me, and then I brought a some Exxon 93. But let's see how she does. Okay, okay. Let's crack into VTEC a little bit, shall we? Oh my God! I've never had this specific S2000 feel that sharp. I'm tempted to shift at 8,000, but man, you just stab the throttle and you go. Woohoo! It's at second again. Can't lug it too much. It's been sitting a while, but oh my God. Handles perfectly. I haven't actually driven it, you know, before the accident with the bigger wheels. I don't mind it. Steering feels a little heavy compared to my buddy's stock 01 that I drove last weekend, but bigger tire profile will do that, I guess. Oh my God. Man, am I lucky. I hope the audio works out. I forgot that this GoPro's a little taller. It feels perfect. Let's see. You just stab it right into gear. Not one problem. Smell a little bit of gas there, but maybe that's just a little bit of residual gas around the injectors when they were changed. Holy hell, man. This thing drives like a champ. Whatever bushings were on there may have been sitting for a while, but drives good, man. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this car black and just touch it up, make it look nice. I was going to go Monte Carlo blue, but I already have a blue S2000, and use this more in the winter. I don't want to damage the car. I'll keep it safe from salt and stuff, but this can be a little bit less of a show car, a little bit more of a drive it kind of every day, more of a daily type deal. Handling feels perfect. A little bit of a click when you hit the throttle. Maybe something needs to be tightened on the diff. Maybe it's the propeller shaft, like I said, but yeah, you hear that? But otherwise, man, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Oh, man. I do not want to drive my AP2 home after this. When you think about it, this car has about, what, 12, 13 more horsepower stock than a AP2. Less torque throughout the power band, but once you get it moving, it feels good. Should have gone to a better stop. So, once the bodywork's done, I can consider this S2000 saved. Man, this is a great car. I really don't want to get rid of it, but who knows? My friend Josh wants to buy it. Maybe I'll rescue another one. But this finally fixed the problems as far as how it runs, and I finally fixed the the drivetrain, you know? Suspension and drivetrain are good. So bodywork comes next. So everyone, thanks again for watching. See my AP2 over there. And hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.